Colorado's high country got a late-season snowstorm, delivering fresh powder and a modest drought relief. Snow fell through Monday into Tuesday morning, with more than 5 inches reported in Aspen Springs, Walden, Nederland, Sawpit and Estes Park. Totals included Jamestown at 8.6 inches, Aspen Springs at 6.6, Walden 6, Nederland 6, Sawpit 5.8, Estes Park 5.5 inches. The Eisenhower-Johnson Tunnels recorded the snowfall, creating slick, wintry driving conditions for mountain travelers. While welcome, the storm is not expected to significantly boost the state's snowpack, which remains around 20% of normal statewide and as low as 9% in parts of Clear Creek County. The moisture arrives too late for ski resorts, with Arapahoe Basin closing its season. Still, the moisture helps as Colorado heads into summer, with a warming trend expected through the week and isolated rain chances, peaking Wednesday in the Denver area.